Hi, I'm James, and in this video we're just taking a quick look at the relative performance of Cinebench R20 on the Intel Core i5-1135G7 processor in the top right, the AMD Ryzen 5 4500U in the bottom left, and the AMD Ryzen 5 5500U in the bottom right. And what we can see here is with the 5500U, we are getting the full 12 threads enabled, so 6 cores with simultaneous multi-threading. And this gives a pretty dramatic performance improvement versus the Ryzen 5 4500U, which was already leading in this test, at least in multi-threaded performance. So what we see is that actually, in terms of single-threaded performance, the Core i5 has around about a 8% lead. But when we look at the multi-threaded performance, it falls a long way short of not only the 4500U, but also just miles behind the 5500U. In fact, the multi-threaded performance is 69% better on the Ryzen 5 5500U, owing to the fact that it's running those 12 threads very efficiently. It also gives around 37% performance increase over the older 4500U base chip, which, considering this is more or less the same processor with just an increase in core count and some minor improvements, but the same Zen 2 cores, is a pretty respectable increase in performance. The 3 laptop chassis I am testing here, the Dell Inspiron 14 2-in-1 chassis, both for the Core i5 and for the Ryzen 5 5500U, and the Ryzen 5 4500U is in an HP 13-inch MV X360. So all similar laptops, similar thermal performance, but we can see here the Ryzen 5 5500U gains a real advantage even over its predecessor, the 4500U, but particularly the i5-1135G7 in this test. So I hope you found this video useful. I have to say, if you are doing this kind of work on your laptop, the Ryzen 5 5500U is going to be the clear winner here. If you're working in lighter workloads or things that are primarily single-threaded, the i5-1135G7 is still going to be a good choice, but for me, the 5500U here is the clear winner. If you want to see more of these videos, let me know in the comments what you would like to see me testing. Hit subscribe if you'd like to see them as they're posted, and thanks for watching.